So we start our app, and first thing what we are doing, we're creating a patient. First, we just choose the sex of our patient. We have a male. Second, we choose the dates of birth of our patient. The skin type of our patient and skin phototype. In that case, we have a second skin phototype. Going to the next stage and start a new Skinive test. We choose on the 3D model of our patient the zone where we have the mole. Going to the next stage and choosing a camera. We're choosing the object on the camera in around 5 to 5 square centimeters window. Then we center the object and trying to avoid all the different objects, trying to avoid others object in our photo. It could be hair, clothes, tattoos, and others. Then we make a picture of our object in around 5 to 10 centimeters from the skin. Waiting for image processing and waiting for our result, which is 98% papilloma nevus. Select the result and we confirm the result, as I agree with the result of Skinive. And this result goes to the base of the Skinive MD. This result goes to the base of the app.